This is Landon being a trooper. Are you being a trooper? Say, I have my first ear infection. Huh? Yeah. No, I don't feel good. I don't feel good. No, you don't. Yeah. We got him naked right now. Why are you naked? And we got a cool cloth on your head. Yeah. We're trying to keep you cool. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh. Yeah. Such a happy dude. Oh no. Really? Uh-huh. I'm so glad you're telling me. So we've been a little warm, so we got him naked, and we've got a cool cloth on his head until we can give you more Tylenol. Huh? Oh, I love you, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Do you feel good? If there's one thing for certain, Landon sure loves to be naked, huh? It's your favorite not to have clothes on, huh? We can tickle you more. Yeah. So other than not sleeping, he's being just so good and happy. I love you, chunky monkey. I go give you kisses. Can we have one more smile before you go? One more smile. Will you say bye-bye? Oh, look at that handsome face. Look at that handsome little guy. Yeah. You are handsome. You know it. You know you are handsome. Love you.